Okay, hello guys. My name is Steven Osas, an ICT educator, and this is my channel. So I will be helping most of the year 12 students that will be writing WAEC next year to solve some practical questions that relate to ICT. So this is for this year 2025 WAEC questions. So we'll be looking at some of the questions that came out during the practical exam. So from the exam, they have about 3 questions. The first one is about a calendar using Microsoft Word. The second one is using PowerPoint to create slides. Then the third one is about using a graphics package such as CorelDRAW to design this particular stuff you are seeing here. Okay, so let's begin. So before we start, let's take a look at the instructions. These instructions are very important. Please, candidates should adhere to all instructions that are given by WAEC, because if you miss it out, then you'll be having issues, especially that relates to marks. Answer all questions. Write your name and index number in ink in the space provided above. This one, we are going to be doing that while we are printing our work. We can put it in header and footer so that our work will be neat and clean. Then you must create a folder on desktop. Now that folder, you'll be using it to save your work. Every work you've done, you'll be saving them. Remember, we have 3 different practicals to do. You'll be saving them there. So let's go straight to the work. Now the first one is using Microsoft Word to design a simple calendar about your birthday. The first one says design a 1-month calendar to indicate the date and month of your birthday, of your birth. Then use word art to type the title, my birthday calendar, with font size 18. Okay, so let's go straight to that. Let's open our Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is mine. So let's begin. So we'll go to insert, go to word art. Now if you observe in word art, none of this word art design looks like what WAEC gave us. Look at what WAEC said we should do. None of them look like that. So all we need to do here is that WAEC work is outdated. That is 2023 Microsoft Word package. But this my own is 2021. So we need to step down this one so that it will suit to what WAEC wants. Now how do we step it down? Go to File, go to Save As. I'm going to save it in my desktop. So let me just give it WAEC 2025. That's the name. WAEC 2025. Then under the Save As type, click on it. Choose Word 97 to 2003. So we'll step it down to 2003 version. Okay, that's what we've done. Now if you come back to insert, go to word art, you see that we now have exactly what they want us to do. So I think this is what they want us to do, and they said it should be font size 18. Then we should type it here, so all in uppercase. So my birthday calendar. Okay, so click OK. So that is it. You can centralize it. Okay, then the next thing we should do, they said in place of the WAEC logo, this logo that is here, this logo, we should get any image to replace it. So in my own case, I downloaded it already, but yours, you don't need to download anything. Just use any picture that is saved in your system. So I have a picture here already, so I save it in my desktop. So where is it? This is it. So I insert it. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake there. Sorry. I'm supposed to bring my cursor down before doing that. Fast. Desktop. Okay. So this is it. Let me reduce it a little. Okay, so the next thing is, so we should type the month and year of your birthday. So take your cursor down. My own case is May. Okay, so you should type it using area rounded empty bold. So go here, type area rounded bold, that's it. Then change it to font size 30. Okay, 30 is not there, so just type it and enter. So my own birthday is May 4th, 1990. That's my own birthday. Then you can come here and superscript it so it will look exactly the way their own is. So we'll come down. Then the next thing is they say use the quick table option under the insert table. That's that question, that is number F. They say using the quick table option under the insert table to insert what? A 1 month calendar. So we'll go back to our work. So go to insert, go to tables, quick tables, this is it. Then let's take this. Okay, you can centralize it. Then let this May 2 be centralized because theirs 2 is centralized. Then the next question says asterisk or color the day of your birth on the calendar. My own case is 4th because this is 4th I put it, so I have to color this one. Let me give it yellow. Okay, let me just give it another color. So let me give it red. So that's it. Okay. Go off. Okay, so that is that. Then the next thing says type in your full name and index name beneath the calendar to replace. That is that question. So they say type in your full name and index number beneath the calendar to replace the one given in figure 1. Then save your work with your index number in the folder created. Then print your work and submit to the supervisor. So let's type our name before we print. So they say we should type our name under here. So don't forget that our text or font size and font style is still in that area around there. So let's go back and change it to the one we're using before, which is Calibri. That's the one we're using before. Then change it to the normal font size. So let's just say my name is Steven, uppercase. Okay, then my index number is this, just for example. Then if you take a look at this question again, look at it, you see there it's like it's in a box in a rectangle shape. So let's go back to our work and do the rectangle shape. How do we do that? Go to insert, go to shape, click on the rectangle shape, then click and drag on your work. If you click on it to cover it, don't worry, just go back to shape fill, click on no fill. Good. Let's increase this because their work looks like as if it's in landscape form. Then we can increase this. This is in question number. This thing I'm doing now is there. Is in question number. Where is it? Let me go back to the question. Yes, question number C says format the text on the word art with text effect transform stop. So where is it again? So that's what I'm doing. Just click on this arrow beside it to stretch it based on the way there's their own look, so that it will look perfectly. Then reduce it like this a little, use it like this a little. Okay, I think our work is good, so we are good to go. I think that's all. So we'll save our work and we can print. So if you have any question, please put it on the comment section. I will be there to answer. Thank you so much.